Krishna is confirming this point in Gita, 10th chapter, verse 10. Tesham saratayuktanam bhajatam pratipurvakam tadami buddhiyogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Mam upayanti. They come to me. Upayanti. Upayanti. They come up. They come to me. Up, over, around. They come to me. How do they come to me? Because I let them come to me. How does Krishna let his devotees come to them? How do you find where is Krishna? How do you know where to find him? How do you know how to come to him? Because you need intelligence. Like once the devotees were in LA on a walk with Prabhupada. They said, Prabhupada, we're distributing so many books. There's thousands of books being distributed at the airport. And everyone's taking up Krishna consciousness. And this is one particular devotee, actually. And they're selling like hotcakes, Prabhupada. And Prabhupada says, this is very good. So Prabhupada, it seems that very soon Krishna consciousness is going to take over the world. And Prabhupada laughed. He stopped. He was walking, tot. He stopped his cane. He said, no. And they all stumbled over each other in the morning walk. No, Prabhupada. But there's thousands of BTGs and thousands of Gitas. No. Krishna consciousness is only for the intelligent. So very few people will come to Krishna consciousness because especially in Kali Yuga, very few people have intelligence, or at least spiritual intelligence, to discriminate matter from spirit, Maya from God, reality from illusion. What is night, it says in Gita, what is night for all beings is a time of awakening for the self-controlled. And what is night for the self-controlled is night for the introspective sage. So, this is, it's ever expanding. Krishna ever expands, our bhakti ever expands. So that Bhagavatam first canto says, Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Jnana Vairagya. It says that by bhakti, by developing love for Krishna, Krishna gives you things. When you develop love for Krishna, Vasudeva Bhakti, Krishna Bhakti, then Krishna gives knowledge, transcendental wisdom. You become a wise person. And he gives detachment. You become niskinchan, akinchan. You become free from the pushings of this indriya and senses. Vacho vegam, manasakroda vegam, jiva vegam, udarapashta vegam. Vegam means pushings, urges, drives. The pushings of tongue and eyes and ears and hands. Become Atmaram, Muni, devotee. So Krishna gives these gifts. These are the fruits of the tree of bhakti, detachment and wisdom. So everyone is on a different level, different plane of perception, different level of bhakti, different plane of perception, understanding. Krishna says in Gita, we should not upset the faith of others. So that has different meanings. Of course, you can see the commentaries of Baladev Vishwanath and Sridhar Swami and others on Gita, which are in English, and get some clear understanding of this verse. Not disturb the faith of others, which I don't remember exactly where it is. It's in Gita. That's common sense. If someone has a good thing going on, why should bother them?